So most of the things you already know, and I'm not going to ask you questions about those things. Couple of things you need to know, like this one. This is the liver, right? You understand that thing pretty easily. And you can see really big gallbladder over here. Can you see the gallbladder?
Oh, and now we could see it, but before.
Yeah, beforehand it was
really
embedded.
bad.
You didn't see that thing, but this time, thanks Mansi, she gave you the good cat. All right.
Thank you. It looks green.
It looks green. You will never miss it. This is the stomach. All right, very big sac stomach. And what is this again?
The greater omentum.
Very good. If I show you this thing on model, will you be able to identify this thing?
Nope.
Nope.
Yeah, if it has
Yeah,
it.
yeah. And what is this?
This
Spleen. Don't say kidney because kidneys are retroperitoneal.
they're all the way behind.
They're all the way behind. And this is the small intestinal coil. And what is this thing called? This membrane?
Mesentery.
Mesentery. All right, mesentery. All right, mesentery. Mesentery. And the bigger tube, you can compare actually this one with this, right? Is this bigger?
But how do you tell?
Because you can see that thing. It is, if you just can compare in the same cat, you see how narrow this is and how big that is.
Okay.
So I'm not going to ask you to identify every little part of the large intestine.
Tell us what you're going to ask us.
Yes. He is so impatient. Right? So this is something about the large intestine, and the whole thing I'm not going to ask you separately, but two things maybe I'm going to ask you separately. Number one, the cecum. This is the initial part, the cecum. Cecum of the large intestine. All right, cecum of the large intestine. And if possible, I can ask you about this thing called appendix. This small portion is called appendix. All right.
But you can't.
Yeah, but normally
Touch that again.
this small sting-like thing is appendix. But normally I don't ask appendix here. I rather ask appendix in those models. All right.
Because here you can't even put a sticker on it.
Yes, that's my problem. Okay. So now other things are like this. This is the straight portion of the intestine, and once again I can ask you. This is the rectum. All right. Anal canal you don't see. Now about the kidneys. Now can you see the kidney?
Yeah.
You can. Retroperitoneal. So spleen, kidney, left side, basically very close. But kidneys are at the back, far back. And the spleen is within the abdomen, right?
Which
So
kidney is lower?
which kidney is lower?
The left one.
The right one.
The right one.
Right one is lower.
Why? Because of the liver.
No, liver. And here is the right kidney, all right?